Hi, my name is Paolo. I work for Aviso Wealth, and I am a system support level 3. So I work for Aviso Wealth based out of Vancouver. Our number of employees is around 1,500 to now around 1,700 with associated 1,500 devices. In our infrastructure, we have 3 main offices, one in Vancouver, one in Montreal, and one in Toronto, actually close by. The major challenges faced by our IT team before we used ManageEngine was consolidation of different metrics, different statistics. Doing certain tasks like patching, for instance, required a lot of manual input. Took a lot of time to do everything manually and update all these computers. But in one centralized location, we were able to consolidate all the 3, like we went through a merger. So all these 3 companies had separate processes and separate softwares. So to have it all under one roof made it very streamlined. The main reason why we wanted to get a new IT solution was its integration with our current ticketing system, our integration with our current firewall, and also our security protocols. So it blended really well, especially when you have 3 different configurations. It was easy to set up. Some of the criteria we chose ManageEngine was for its ability to integrate with certain modules for security, compliance reasons, as well as ticketing and even up-to-date, the biggest thing, up-to-date patching, where we don't have to look for patches and individual softwares. It's all automated, which is nice. The ManageEngine products we are using currently are Service Desk. We are using Op Manager, Endpoint Central, almost a full suite. And hopefully in the future, Analytics Plus. Oh, and we've been using it for over 7 years. So some cases where ManageEngine has helped us is making the complete onboarding and offboarding process of assets easy. So not only can we push configurations automatically to offboard a device, we can also install software based on groups. We can also make it secure with no touch interface, like with no input from us or the user itself. So it just makes our life easier. And also it future-proofs it with the ability to add modules like AI. We use Service Desk to fully manage our approvals for tickets, as well as documenting any change management. We also use it as our primary document repository for all our documentation. I can say that we've improved by over 50% in terms of our compliance with up-to-date patches. So right now, the one that I'm only aware of is the NIST framework. And so we are trying to adhere closely to that because our score before wasn't that great. ManageEngine and Endpoint Central has helped us comply with the NIST framework. It's also made it easier to, some of the positive impacts after implementing ManageEngine are overall overhead has decreased by a lot, right? We're able to track assets better and get them back, as well as we've improved our NIST framework score this year by a full point, which is a lot. And that is through the error-free compared to manual patching, and of course, automated patching for our servers as well. The top 3 things I like about ManageEngine is the performance, the interface, and the scalability, or at least the potential for scalability in terms of adding different modules. We have been in discussions for other products I'm unaware of, but after reviewing, we would like to stick with ManageEngine just because it meets all of our needs compared to the other vendors. So, to be honest, right now, it does everything that our scope requires right now. We're implementing like Service Desk integration, AI. So right now it's meeting more than what we need. So until we max out what we can get out of ManageEngine, right now, no, nothing.